Hi. I needed a break. I spent the last 2 months almost only with work, and now I was so exhausted. As you might know, I am in Germany for work, and after that I will go traveling again in Southeast Asia this time again. I made a commitment with myself to upload every Sunday a new video, but this time it was absolutely unrealistic. But this time I managed to shoot and edit the video, a very short video, with a little bit of impression where I am right now. It's a nice small island in front of Germany at our sea. So enjoy this small little video, and next time hopefully I will have more energy to make a better video for you guys. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you are interested in something like my life here in Germany, because right now I am living in a self-converted campervan. Look at this. This is my home since 2 months and almost for another 2 to 3 weeks. Peace out. This is a Fischbrötchen. That's fish bread, and it's very typical here in north of Germany on the coast. It's just a little bit of fish, onions. It's a little dry, but it's good. Good enough for the moment.